I'm Anderson. I work for RHI Roofing. I'm a project manager, commercial project manager. So today we're in Coconut Creek. The building that we're standing in front of is Butterfly World. Butterfly World was established in 1988. It is the world's largest butterfly sanctuary and public attraction. Butterfly World is responsible for breeding and providing butterflies to other zoos around the world, actually. So Butterfly World was in dire need of a new roof. The current new roof as it sits was 71 squares metal roof that we replaced and 81 squares of flat. So we removed the EPDM temporary roof that they had from a previous storm, and we replaced it with GAF TPO. Very intricate job. The details, the 9 skylights that we had to replace, compound curves along the front side of the building proved to be very challenging for us, but we overcame. We also had some logistical challenges. Being that it is a public attraction, we had to keep in mind the safety of the patrons here at Butterfly World. So we worked very closely with the management team to ensure that everybody was safe. We set up scaffolding. We modified our schedule, and actually there was a section that we had to do completely at night. So we had to work around the public safety, the safety of the public, of course cleanliness, and one big thing we had to overcome is most of the butterflies here at Butterfly World are not native to our ecosystem. So we had to work very diligently to prevent any releases, a release into our eco-structure here. Long-term benefits with going with the TPO and the ISO system. They have a improved R value on the building, so the building is cooler. The white TPO, as opposed to the black EPDM that they had, is more reflective, so it reflects the radiant energy from the sun. It keeps the building cooler. We upgraded their skylights. We added tinted skylights, so they get just the right amount of light into the lobby area, but it's not overpowering.
Well, in our main building, we started getting leaks coming out of the ceiling, and to a few of the offices it got to be, well, we need a new roof, so we did. Wonderful working with them. They were behind the scenes, didn't disrupt any business, whatever, and the quality and the speed, all around excellent work. Yes, we have a unique experience with the butterflies, and for them to come in and put a new roof on and not disturb the peace and quiet we have here is awesome. Oh, the roof is phenomenal. It looks brand new, makes the whole building look like we just opened.